Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how you can disable two-factor authentication on your GoDaddy account. It's pretty simple to do, so I'll go ahead and show you how to do it right now. So here we're on our dashboard for our GoDaddy account, and what you want to do is go to the top right where you see your profile. Then under your avatar, you want to click on where it says View next to the Pin option. So if you click on View, this is going to bring you to the security settings page, in which case we want to scroll down and you want to find the two-step verification section right here. And we can see that we have an SMS verification set up. So if we want to go ahead and remove this, what we can do is click on the edit button. Then we want to click on where it says delete next to the SMS. So let's go ahead and click on delete. It'll say, are you sure you want to remove this SMS two-factor authentication? Let's go ahead and click on remove. And now we can see that we don't have two-step verification active anymore. And if we ever wanted to re-add the verification, all we have to do is click on where it says add verification. So that's how you can remove two-factor authentication from your GoDaddy account. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.